to my channel. Today is day 14 of my 24 days of DIY. You may have seen this DIY before because it's kind of trending right now, but I wanted to try it as well because I think it's super cute. I'm not exactly sure who started this trend, but I will leave the link down below of the person who I saw it first from. I'm not sure if she got it from somewhere else, but I will leave the link of the original post where I first saw it. Give credit where credit is due. But today we are going to do a little craft with some taper candles. I think these candles are so fun to decorate, especially during the holiday winter season. I don't know, I just like the look of them. So right now they're just plain taper candles, but I think it might have been Anthropologie or some site like that had these candles, but they were different shaped and twisted, and they just looked really cute and fun, but they were kind of expensive. So this is a DIY to show how you can make plain taper candles a little more fun and exciting, but for pretty cheap. So I bought these candles from Hobby Lobby. In my opinion, I think that's the best place to find them. I researched a lot of different places, and I just think Hobby Lobby has the best price and best color selection. So I picked up these two like creamy ivory ones. I'll probably go back and get more because I'm thinking I'm really going to like this. But we'll start with these two. So the first thing that you want to do is unwrap them. And I have a pot of warm water with me, so I'm gonna do this fairly quickly so this water doesn't cool down on me. But what you want to do is take your candles and just put them in the water because we want to soften them up. These are really tall. I might need to get a bigger bowl, or maybe I'll just flip them like this. So I'm just gonna leave these in here for a few minutes until the wax is soft enough to mold. Okay, that bowl wasn't big enough, so I switched gears a little bit and I just filled up a cookie sheet and with hot water, and now these are just resting in here. I think that will be better, getting it all covered by the water at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna leave this for a few more minutes. It's starting to work though. Ah, this is so fun. Okay, I took them out of the water and they are soft and bendy now. So I saw, you can do like totally bend them in different shapes. I think that's cool, but I think for just these two, I'm just going to twist them because I just think I like the look of that. From what I have seen other people do, it looks like using a rolling pin, and if you just kind of flatten out the middle section a little bit, it makes twisting it easier. So I just took a rolling pin, I just flattened this a little bit, and now I'm simply just going to twist, hoping I don't break it. You kind of have to work fast though because this wax cools and hardens pretty quickly. That's so cool. Okay, there's one done. Let me do this one before completely hardens on me. Ah, this top is breaking because I think it was already broken in the package, but I didn't notice it. Maybe I'll try to heat it up again and like fuse it together. That's okay. I could even just cut it and make it a shorter one. I might do that. I'm gonna cut this end off. Yay, that's so fun. Totally mold these to look however you want them to. That is super cool. I love it. Okay, I also got from Hobby Lobby these cute little candlestick holders. I just think these are so cute. So I'm gonna put my candles in here. I love this. That is so fun. Okay, I'm totally going back and getting more so that I can make more fun shapes with them because this was so cool. Decided to go style these on my mantle. The cutest. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you try this out, please tag me on Instagram so that I can see them because I would love to see what different shapes and things that you guys come up with. Be sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another DIY. Bye!